Keeping your car clean not only makes it look good, but also protects the paint and preserves its value. Dust may look harmless, but it can contain tiny particles that scratch the surface if wiped off improperly. Fortunately, there are safe and effective ways to remove dust from your car without scratching the paint or damaging the surface. For light dust, a high-quality car duster made with soft, treated cotton fibers like a California duster can safely lift the dust without damaging the paint. The key is to use it gently. Hold the duster lightly and let the weight of the tool do the work. Avoid pressing down or scrubbing. Start from the top of the car and work your way down, using long, straight strokes. Shake out the duster every few passes to release the accumulated dust particles. This method works best when dust is dry and has not mixed with rain or moisture, which can make it stick to the surface. For a slightly more thorough cleaning without using water, a waterless wash product can be highly effective. These products are specifically formulated to lift dust and light dirt from the car's surface while lubricating it to prevent scratching. They typically come in spray bottles and can be applied directly to the paint. Spray the product generously onto a section of the car, then gently wipe with a folded microfiber towel using straight-line motions rather than circular ones. As the towel gets dirty, flip it to a clean side or switch to a fresh towel. Never reuse a dirty towel on another panel, as it can drag particles across the surface and cause scratches. This method is ideal for situations where access to water is limited, such as in apartment complexes, during water restrictions, or while traveling. If the dust is more severe, or if there's visible grime or bird droppings, it is best not to risk a dry cleaning method. In this case, a traditional two-bucket wash is the safest and most thorough approach. The two-bucket method involves one bucket filled with clean, soapy water, and a second bucket filled with clean rinse water. You will also need high-quality car wash soap. Never use household detergents, as they can strip wax and damage the clear coat. Start by rinsing the entire car with water to remove loose dust and debris. Use a hose with low pressure or, even better, foam cannon if you have access to one. Foam cannon pre-soak the car in a layer of soap that loosens dirt and dust without friction. After letting the foam sit for a minute or two, rinse it off thoroughly. Then, using a soft microfiber wash mitt, dip into the soapy water, wash a small section of the car, and then rinse the mitt in the clean water bucket before returning it to the soap bucket. This reduces the chance of reintroducing grit to the car's surface. Work from top to bottom, and rinse each section after washing. Drying your car safely is just as important as washing it. Even after cleaning, you can scratch the paint if you are not careful while drying. Use a clean microfiber or waffle weave towel made for cars, and avoid using chamois or bath towels. To dry, gently lay the towel on the surface and blot or drag it lightly across the paint without applying pressure. For extra safety, use a drying aid like a quick detailer spray. It adds lubrication, helping the towel glide smoothly and reducing the risk of scratches. If you have access to a blower or compressed air, it is a great touchless method to remove water from crevices and avoid towel contact altogether. Another effective way to prevent dust from sticking and make future cleanings easier is to apply a protective layer to your car's paint. Wax, paint sealants, or ceramic coatings all offer slick surfaces that repel dust and contaminants, making them easier to remove without friction. A well-maintained wax or coating will also enhance the appearance of the paint and protect it from UV damage. If you are looking for a simple, beginner-friendly option, spray waxes and quick detailers can be applied after every wash to refresh protection and improve gloss. For more advanced or long-term protection, consider having a professional ceramic coating applied, or doing it yourself with a consumer-grade kit. You can also use a lamb's wool duster, with a wood handle to safely remove dust from your car's surface. Its soft, natural wool fibers gently attract and hold dust without scratching the paint, and its flexibility allows it to reach curves and crevices where dust often collects. The sturdy wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, giving you better control for a careful, scratch-free clean. Parking your car in a garage or using a high-quality, breathable car cover can greatly reduce the amount of dust that settles on it. Avoid using cheap plastic car covers, as they can trap moisture and cause scratches when they move in the wind. A good cover will fit snugly and have a soft inner lining to protect the paint. By using these safe and proper steps to remove dust, you will avoid scratches, protect your car's paint, and keep it looking its best for years to come.